My name is Amaikechuku and welcome to my chess tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how pawn moves and capture. Pawns are the most plentiful piece on the chessboard. Each side starts with 8 of them. They are aligned with the white pawns along the second row, moving upwards, and the black pawns along the seventh row, moving down. Now, the pawns are displayed on the screen in the chessboard. So this is what we call second row, and this is what we call seventh row. Good. So how do we move the chessboard? How do we move chess pawn on the chessboard? This is the pawn. If I'm to move this pawn can move 1 square forward, and also it can move 2 squares forward. So based on the player now, if I want to make a move with my pawn, this particular pawn, I can either move 2 squares forward or I can move 1 square forward. That is how the pawn move. Now after it has made the first move, you have to allow your opponent to make their own move too, which is the black. So black makes his own move, maybe 1 step forward. This is how you basically move in chess. So each particular pawn maintains their file. This pawn on the d file now maintains this particular file to the end. Since we now know how the pawn moves on the chessboard, how does pawn capture? Pawn capture diagonally 1 square forward. This is an example. After this move, black plays, and now we have a move on the board like this. This is how pawn capture. This pawn can capture this 1 square forward diagonally. So this pawn can take this particular pawn like this. That's how pawn capture. Then we have, it can happen in different positions on the chessboard. So that is how pawn capture. Then this relationship is called pawn block. These two pawns are obstructing themselves. This pawn can't go forward, and this particular pawn can move forward also. And pawns don't jump over pieces, don't jump over themselves. Thank you for watching this particular video. If you have learned one or two information about the chess pawns, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.